Hey everyone, it's Catherine here from Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to install a resource pack for the BlueMap plugin. Firstly, you will need to choose a resource pack and download it in the same version as your Minecraft server. I'll be downloading this resource pack called Faithful as an example for this video. Once you've downloaded the file, we recommend dragging it to your desktop so it's easier to find. Go to your server's control panel, click on Files from the list on the left, then open the Plugins folder. Open the BlueMap file, then open the Resource Packs folder. Drag and drop or upload the resource pack you downloaded earlier into this file. Then restart your server. After doing so, open your BlueMap on your browser and you should see the resource pack applied. You can use multiple resource packs for BlueMap. A resource pack takes priority over the one on the bottom because they are ordered alphabetically and numerically. I've added another texture pack here, and as you can see, Faithful takes priority over visible ores. You can reorder resource packs by renaming them. For example, if I add a 01 before visible ores, this will make it so that it is now on top and takes priority over the Faithful resource pack. If you change your resource pack setup, you need to delete your previous renders. Otherwise, you will get broken models with really weird textures. This process is called purging. In order to purge your maps, you will need to type /BlueMap purge in-game. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more from our channel. If you have any further questions or problems, don't hesitate to contact us. We will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching!